If you want to create a calendar events on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, you have to open up your calendar. After that, we have to tap plus at the top right corner. Let's give a title to our calendar. So we can choose where we want to set a location for it. Also, we can choose if it's gonna be a video call, we can set it up as well. Now you can choose whether it has to be through the all day or it just has to be started, for example, on tomorrow, right? And it will end on Sunday, and you can choose the exact timings of that event. You can choose the time zone, of course. You can choose your travel time if you need to travel. You can choose whether you want to repeat it every day, next every week, every 2 weeks, every year, or custom. You can choose your calendar, so home or work. Invitees, so you can adjust your invitees. They have to be your family members, or they just basically have to be in your contacts. You can set up an alert for that 1 week before, 10 minutes ago, 5 minutes before, so at the time of event, so many things. You can add up some attachment, you can add URL and add up some notes. Also, you can set up a reminder. Here's your reminder list. Simply press add, press continue, give all the necessary permissions, and now we will have the thing going on. So as you see, we can see it in our calendar, and that's how it works. So I recommend you going into it by yourself. So try it out, it's really helpful. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.